Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to rename your earbuds XIAOMI OpenWear on your Android device. You have to start by open settings and then you need to go to the Bluetooth or connected devices. At the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. And right here we have a name, near to the name we have pencil icon. I have stock Android and I have this pencil icon. On some Android phones you will have a line with the name, not this icon. And on some phones this icon located at the right top. Now, if you have the line with the name, tap at this line, I will tap at the pencil icon, and right here write the best one for you. Let's say I wanna remove this text and add something like this one. After you finish, you need to click rename to save this new name. On your phone it may be not rename but done or OK or check mark or something else. So tap at that button and as you can see we just did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!